Welcome back, guys. I know you haven't seen me in a while. We are back. Today, we're going to make something that we haven't done on the channel before. We're doing some jerk pork today, guys. There goes my ingredients. We have a nice pork butt right there, ready to roast off. We got my water seasoned up. So we're going to blanch it off first, and then we're going to put it in, finish it off in the oven, right? And then I got my jerk sauce, some scallions, some onions, and we're gonna make some festival too, guys. We're gonna make some festival today. So welcome back to my channel. It's Chef Rudy here. And first thing we're gonna start by cutting up the pork, and we're gonna get that incorporated with the water that we have on the stove. Just get that going. So we're gonna, as you see, I got scallion in there. We got some jerk sauce in there. And we're gonna basically cut everything up, boil it down for a minute. Season it up real nice. Some jerk sauce, guys. Look at that piece of pork. Look at that huge chunk of pork. So we're gonna cut up this bad boy, right? We're gonna get that in the pot going with some natural season, right? Then we're gonna finish it off in the oven. For all you jerk pork lovers, people been writing in the comments said we got to do some pork. So here we are today, doing it just for you guys. You guys requested this. Said Chef Rudy, how come we don't see you making no jerk pork, stew pork, stuff like that? So I said, okay. So let me know in the comment section, guys, if you're happy. You requested this, so now we're making it. Hope you enjoyed this video. And basically what we're doing now, we're just cutting it in small chunks. You know, getting that meat cut up. I'm just checking my pot. This is how it looks when you finish cut it up, right? And we're just gonna pre-cook it a little bit so it gets a little tender, and then we put it in the oven. Jerk sauce is very strong. I got my jerk sauce in the pot, and we're just gonna cook it down a little bit and finish it up in the oven. So thanks for watching, guys. Welcome back to another video. And you don't have to cut these really small because we're just putting it in a pot like that. Cut it in chunks. Of course, we had some garlic in there already. We put some pimentos. All right. And of course, we're gonna put brown in. Get a nice color. And some garlic powder, onion powder. Some black pepper. And put salt. You already put salt in the water, so you don't need to put too much. A little paprika. You have it, guys, and then we're gonna start now making our festival. While that's cooking down, we're gonna start our festival, and we're gonna fry the festival in this pan right here. All right. So we're gonna get ready to make some festival. I'm gonna wash my hands down. All right. So when we come back, we begin making some festival. So guys, we got a festival mix. Boom. That's what we're gonna go with today, and we're just gonna add it to a pan. This is what the mix looks like. So we're gonna do one box festival, maybe one and a half. We're gonna do one and a half box. And this, you just add water, or some people like to use coconut milk. So you can put a little bit of coconut milk. So there you go. We're gonna drop a little bit of coconut milk. And just a little bit of water. And you're just gonna mix this together. Just a pinch of salt. And there you have it, guys. Just like that. All right. And now we're gonna just add that to add some oil in the pot and then start making the festival. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm doing this process. I probably washed my hand 5 or 6 times already, but that's just me. A little bit of flour just to make sure it doesn't stick to my hands. And we're gonna turn our stove on. I'm gonna use some olive oil. Then you can put a little oil on your hands so your hands will flour doesn't stick to your hands. Okay. Okay, so guys, we're just gonna make them just basic first of all. So we're just gonna make them long. A little more oil on my hands. Okay. We're waiting for the stove to get hot. And we did festival before in one of the video. I think most of the time we do jerk. We did festival. I think we did festival with the jerk chicken. Let's see. Nope, not ready yet. Wait. Mhm. So this is how they look, guys. Like this. Then we just drop them in the pot when it's hot. So you can take a little piece and just to test the oil to see if it's hot. As soon as that starts frying, then you add them to it. So we're waiting for the oil to hot. Meanwhile, we'll just keep rolling up the rest. Just like that. And you can see, you start a little action over there. We're getting a little action there. So let's see. Wait for it some more. And this dough is very soft, guys, so you gotta know how to handle that. We're doing some festival today, guys, and you see I'm wearing red today, so you know it's Independence Day going on. For those who are not in the country, you could guess which holiday is that. All right, guys. Now we're gonna shift this to the oven. We're gonna put some Walker's wood, more Walker's wood, and this is a hot one. Guys, shout out to all the Jamaican, all the people in Jamaica who went through the hurricane. Yeah, you're in our prayers, and keep your head up. All the people in St. Vincent, all over the Caribbean. So, guys, there we have it. So we're gonna finish this bad boy in the oven. A little bit more salt. Like I said, don't want to put your hands in that. Super hot. A little bit of browning. And the reason why I season it twice because it was in the water. And what we could do is take a little bit of the water off the top. And then we drop that in the oven, guys. And you might put the oven at 350. As you can see, first of all, I'm keeping them warm in the oven. My festival is done and I'm just keeping them warm in the oven. Look at that. Boom. So in we go. Here you go, guys. for another 40 minutes. We should be good to go. Thanks, guys, for subscribing to my channel. All right, Chef Rudy here. And we said, like I said again, we're making some jerk pork. And there you have it, guys. In the next 40 minutes, we should be done. We start plating. All right, guys, we're making our sauce now. Some jerk sauce. All right, we put some barbecue sauce. Put some Walker's Wood. Some Walker's Wood season. And we put some barbecue sauce. Basically, we're gonna use the water that we cook the pork in, like this water, the stock, you know, and make like a jerk sauce. And the jerk pork is finished now, guys. We're gonna take it from the oven. This is what it looks like. There you have it. Super hot. Some nice jerk pork. A little bit of jerk sauce on it. There you have it, guys. So that's how it looks, guys. So jerk pork. With some festival. A little bit more sauce on top. There you have it, guys. This one takes a little longer because, you know, we have to put it in the oven. This one takes a little longer. We have to put it in the oven, and the process is a little longer. You know, pork, you have to make sure it's cooked properly. So there you have it, guys, from Festival. Some nice jerk pork. You have it. And there goes all for my subscriber who's requesting that I cook some pork. I hope you're happy today. We make some pork. I know you're requesting that with some Festival. So it's like a nice little barbecue for you because it's a holiday, Independence Day. We make some burgers, hot dogs, but you could also do some jerk pork too. Respect. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm out.